Some of the evolving trends that we have observed in the next years to come are significantly happening in the data and analytics industries. If you look at the data side, there has been a significant paradigm shift in the way the data is getting traceable, auditable. And this is what we call as the data traceability. How the data is moving the value chain, the data lineage that we call. And for this, there are very different paradigms that we have been using or will be continuing to use, like your data quality, your data governance, your data security, your master data management. And we believe that these are going to be the trends with the humongous volumes of data that is coming in. A lot of organizations would want the data to be really trusted and be a very single version of truth. And for these things to be successful, the data has to be sanitized and fit to use. And that is what is going to be one of the evolving trends from the data side. From an analytics perspective, one of the important trends that we've seen is about the augmented analytics. The augmented analytics is how we are leveraging your NLP, natural language processing, with your decision making. That would be one of the the trends that would definitely have a significant impact in the next year. And of course, we all been talking about the edge computing. Edge computing is another trend that will definitely be resonating in the next year. Edge computing is how your data is getting processed at the source, which will really enable your faster and fitter consumption of your data. And I believe that these are going to be the very unique trends that we would be looking at, we'll be hearing more in the next years to come.